how to fix Steam Captcha error. So let's get started. First thing first is clear browser cache and cookies. All you have to do is open the Google Chrome and tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, tap on delete browsing data. Now you can see there are three options available there. You can simply remove the browsing data option by tapping the checkbox and only click on cookies and cache option available there. So what happens if you remove the browsing data, you can only clear the cookies and cache. So here I am tapping on the browsing data and removing it and simply deleting the cache and cookies. And if this does not work, then try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. Try accessing Steam using a different web browser to see if the Captcha error persists. After that, also verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection might cause issues with Captcha. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Also, try restarting your computer or device can help resolve temporary issues affecting Captcha verification as well. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to Steam's Captcha errors. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.